What's up, guys? I'm going to do another flight with the DJI Neo, but this time with the RC2 remote that I got with the Fly More combo with the DJI Air 3S. Check out those videos, man. And the Neos. Two sick drones. I totally forgot that this thing binds with this. Totally forgot. I didn't really think about it until last time. I'm like, yo, I can fly this with this. Let's do it. Okay, let's turn on the Neo. Press and hold. Let's turn on the RC2 remote. And we have an image. Check it out. You guys see that? Take off. There we go. You see the wind is shaking it a bit. All right, Neo. Bonded with this bad boy right here. It's about time. Let's go. Lower the gimbal a bit. I love this remote, guys. I gotta be careful. I'm so used to flying the Air 3S. There's no obstacle avoidance on this one. Let's check out this tree here. Nice. See the water way over there. Strong wind warning. Got that right. It is pretty windy for this little guy. Go over some more of these trees here. It's fall. Leaves are changing color. It's 175 meters away and I can still hear it. This thing is a screamer. Go around these trees here. See my home point over there on the left. Pretty awesome remote. Let's check out Tron RC down there. The chair. Alright. Let's go over by the water. Let me raise the altitude a bit. What am I, 60, 70, 80 meters? No, 40 meters. Looking at the wrong one. Battery life, I got 81% left. What the hell just happened here? Holy sh! Alright, I am just driving around looking for this thing. I did a screen record, so I'm going over the screen record to see if I recognize the neighborhood. I know the houses were this color, that reddish brick. So it's definitely around here somewhere. If somebody didn't pick it up, or it's in serious pieces or something. Let me just pull up over here and check. Check this out, guys. I'm driving around this neighborhood here. Oh, great. The camera popped out. That's not good. I was hoping everything was okay, but it's not. Check that out. It's still on too. I gotta find that camera. Wow. That sucks. This thing just fell right out of the sky. Oh, here's the one of the propeller guards. Okay, here it is. The camera just popped right off. Man, this sucks. So check this out. First I thought the Neo just fell out of the sky for no reason, and that didn't make any kind of sense. So I slowed the footage down, and check this out. There are 3 birds in the sky right beside the Neo. Check them out. That had to be the reason. There might have been 4 or 5 birds for all I know. I think one of the bird's wings touched the Neo, flipped it over, it hit the tree, and fell on the sidewalk. I don't think the bird was hurt. The propellers aren't exposed, so that's good. Anyways, guys, that's my theory. Thanks for watching.